Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to learn laptop at home. First, power on your device and observe the startup process. Next, locate the power button, keyboard, and touchpad. Spend some time navigating the desktop or home screen. Open a few pre-installed applications like a web browser or calculator. This initial exploration builds foundational comfort with your new laptop, preparing you for more advanced steps. Now, let's dive into essential software. Learn to navigate the internet using a web browser, searching for information effectively. Practice creating and editing documents with a word processor, focusing on formatting and saving. Understand how to organize your files into folders, ensuring easy access later. These skills are crucial for productivity and daily tasks on your laptop. Next, focus on connectivity and security. Connect your laptop to a Wi-Fi network, understanding how to manage different connections. Install and update antivirus software to protect against threats. Learn to safely download and install new applications from trusted sources. Always be mindful of privacy settings and strong passwords to keep your data secure. Finally, let's explore advanced tips and maintenance. Customize your laptop settings for a personalized experience and optimize its performance. Learn basic troubleshooting steps for common issues, like restarting or checking connections. Regularly back up important files to prevent data loss. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Consistent practice will make you proficient with your laptop in no time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.